In order to repair your odometer, chances are you need to replace the odometer gears and adjust the reading. The first thing to do is to remove the dashpad in order to get access to the instrument cluster, which needs to come out of your 850. See the links in the description for 2 quick DIYs on that as well. Now, once you got the cluster out of your car, you'll first need to remove the front cover by undoing 9 screws around the edge and 2 screws next to the clock. Now is also a good time to remove the 3 screws in the center, which hold the odometer in place, and if you own a turbo model, you'll also need to undo a 8mm nut. Next, remove the front cover and then gently and slowly remove the faceplate. Now take out the odometer from the cluster and remove the motor, which is held in by 2 screws on the side. Once the motor is out, you'll have access to the odometer gears. If you don't need to adjust the reading, then simply install the new ones and put it all back together. In most cases though, you will have to adjust the reading, but please, don't abuse this knowledge. First thing to do now is to remove the odometer face by undoing 2 screws in the corners. Now, depending on how big the adjustment you need to make is, you can choose to just turn the lower right gear, 130 kilometers, took us about 3 minutes, or slide the pin holding the gears in place to the left or right side, depending on which digits you need to adjust. Be very careful though, not to slide the pin out too far, or this might happen. In case that did happen, just be patient and wiggle the gear back into place. You'll get there eventually. If you didn't screw that up, then gently push the gears down and adjust the reading. Once you get it right, simply put it all back together and there you go. Done.